Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. We are the LS Engine Kings. This is one beautiful, beautiful LS engine. This one has to have these really fancy valve covers. First time using them. The coil packs are actually assembled on the top half of the valve cover and wired. So if you had to get to the valve train, just pull the plugs, take these 4 screws out, take the top off, the coil packs will be built in there already and bolted in. Then you can get to your valve train. You don't have to disassemble the coil packs off the valve covers. Really, really nice. I would have to imagine they're probably $3,000 valve covers. And then we got a polished oil pan on this motor. We got beautiful full boat pulley kit on here, air conditioned power steering, alternator, gorgeous, gorgeous, polished intake manifold. Wait till you see the numbers, fantastic. And this one's custom painted black also. This is going into a '69 Chevy Camaro. Again, each and every engine we build one at a time the way you want it. You have an idea, give us a call, we'll set something up. Peace. Fire's right up, going up on our RPM, it'll come down to our idle. Here we go, idling beautiful, oil pressure is great, AFRs are good. Let's give it a run.